Hi everyone. So I'm going to talk about my week two with Kirby Lonsdale. So today basically we had a tournament for the kids to go play up at Upper Eden. So the teams consisted of Penrith, Kirby, Upper Eden themselves, and Carlisle and Egremont. So we went up there with enough people for two teams. So we decided to do mixed teams. See how this went. So we split off during the tournament itself. We ended up going into a first and second team. But this is because we felt like some of the kids weren't getting their hands on the ball. But before that, I helped lead a small warm up and set up the equipment for the warm up. Which went really well. They were all really raring to go and really wanted to play. But I took the second team to play all the other development team sort of games. Because a lot of the other teams brought first and a second team, and we thought it'd be more fair for the kids that are involved instead of playing quite mixed or a hard or an easy game. If we separate this, we can get quite an even distribution. We tried mixed to start with and it didn't work too well, so this is why I moved on to that. During the actual games, I made it I used the self-determination theory and let them really decide what they wanted to do. So I told them it doesn't matter about the score, it's completely irrelevant. Just do what you want to do and how you can do it. Forget about everything else. And then more than anything, just enjoy themselves. So it worked really well. They ended up really enjoying themselves, and they ended up just trying to pass the ball around, have fun. And they're like, "Oh, we're a couple of points down to me." And I said, "Oh, it doesn't matter what you're doing out there is incredible," and it really filled them with confidence. And I think that's what a lot of the kids there were lacking. But they were determined to do well themselves, and they were all riling each other up and saying, "Come on, let's do this, let's get going," and really went well for him. In the future, I don't think that there should always be a first and a development team. However, due to some of the kids excelling quite well, it's a bit unfair. The development, the ones that are really working hard but not quite there yet, are not really getting on the ball, which puts them about a bit of a disadvantage. So I do believe personally that although what we did was right, there's also a balance that you need to get for each one of the kids so they can enjoy the game as much as the others. And I think mixed will work in different scenarios depending on what team they play and who's available and all that sort of palaver and them sort of scenarios. But I think today was the main focus. We ended up doing really well, and all the kids came off and they're all happy, and it was good to chat to them, and they're all starting to get to know me better, which is really good. It makes me feel like I'm coming across quite friendly, and they're really enjoying me coaching them. So yeah, thank you very much.